Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, this one right here. As you can see, it's quite large, but it's not as heavy as you may think, which makes it very portable. And it also looks very stylish and durable. As you can see from the front, you've got two woofers, two tweeters, and two passive radiators on each side. It's rated at 80 watts RMS, so it's gonna produce a punch. I'm gonna compare it to the JBL Extreme 3 and I'm gonna put it through some frequency tests from low end to mid to high end. But first of all, let's start with the unboxing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade. as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Alright guys, thank you for making it throughout the whole video. There's a few more bits that I want to tell you about the speaker. First of all, it's super light and super loud for its size. The sound was crisp and clear. You get great support with frequent firmware updates. You've got USB-C charging, and I mean for charging the speaker, because at this size and power, you usually get power block with it for charging it. But with the Motion Boom Plus, you get USB-C charging, which is great. It doesn't mean that you have to carry another charger, or if you lose it, you've got USB-C nowadays anywhere in your house. Of course, you get the aux in, which is missing from some speakers nowadays, and also the stereo output that you get from this speaker that you don't get anymore on others. I also like how you can turn on and off the bass straight away from this button here, but of course you've got more options on the app. And finally, it's very affordable for what you're getting compared to other speakers out in the market. Finally guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, please press the like button, subscribe to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!